Alright, this one is 70s vintage. I think it's 70s, maybe 60s. No, probably 70s. Fiberglass everywhere. Jersey skiff. This is a go fast boat. And the name is, yeah, you got it. And it is really. It is a mad dog. Very cool boat. This is where you sit. Pilot and co-pilot. And there's the power plant. We pulled out a few years ago. I had to do some work to it. I had to change the heads. It's got new aluminum Edlebrock heads on it. And did a bunch of electrical work and whatnot. Changed a lot of the old school electricals into new school stuff. So, I'm going to run her up, put the water to her and start it up. Make sure we get water. Check the water pump. Water pump's nice and cool down there somewhere. Water going into a special shore water system. Turn the water on a little higher. Don't see anything coming out yet. Full water now. Actually in neutral, but that's just residual from the transmission. The bog's cool. There's some water going here. Definitely got water. There we go. It's coming out and give it a little blip. There we go. There she is. That was port side. Still coming. There she goes. Yeah, baby. Hey. All good to go. JS39. Reverse, I can hear it. Here's forward, I can hear it. Beautiful. Alright. We're done. Holy crap.